we'll guide you through how to make aura in Ibis Paint X. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open your Ibis Paint application by double-clicking the icon on your desktop so the program launches properly. Once it opens, choose the My Gallery option to access your workspace and existing files. Next, start a new project by clicking the plus logo located on the top menu. After that, select or set your preferred canvas size according to your needs. When your canvas is ready, insert your character image by going to the Layer option. From there, choose Import Picture and then pick your character image from your files. Make sure the image is in PNG format without a background so it blends correctly. Place this image layer above the blank layer, then switch back to the blank layer to continue editing. Pick the Magic Wand tool from the side toolbar and left-click on the blank area outside the image to create a selection. After that, choose the invert option so the selection shifts to the character area. Change your tool from the wand into a brush, then pick your preferred brush and adjust its thickness by dragging the slider. Next, change the brush color into an aura color that matches your character. Carefully draw across the selection area to create the effect. When finished, change your brush back into the Magic Wand tool and choose Remove Selection. Now go to the Tools menu and switch your current tool into the FX Filter option. Find the Lens Blur filter and apply it to soften the aura. Adjust the filter intensity as needed, then click the check mark when you are satisfied. You can repeat similar steps to add another color, making the aura appear more glowing. Maintain the opacity carefully to build layered effects. Finally, complete your image by going to the Export option. Left-click on Save Image, set your desired format, and click OK to render the final result. Take your time to ensure clean edges and smooth coverage while drawing so the aura looks consistent. If needed, zoom in to refine smaller areas and avoid coloring outside the intended selection. Also, experiment with different brush softness settings to achieve a more natural glow effect that complements your character design. Keep practicing to improve control and develop a style that fits your artwork better results.